Dr. Pinsky with the New York Plastic Surgical Group. Fact or fiction, is knuckle cracking bad for you? The short answer is no. Essentially what's going on when you crack your knuckles is you are creating gas bubbles within the joint which are bursting, and that's what creates the cracking sound, which is also why you can't crack the same knuckle twice right in a row, because it takes time for those gas bubbles to build up. There really has been no association with arthritis or any long-term damage to the joints been shown from cracking knuckles. It can be considered an annoying habit to those around you, but if you're not bothering anybody and you like cracking your knuckles, go for it.